afternoon, we're looking at conditions that are starting to go downhill a little bit for us in the valley. We're seeing that Clipper approaching for us right now, and that is going to start to make some big changes for us for the rest of the day and tonight. Checking out our First Alert Storm Team Skycam as we look off to the west, we've got some mostly cloudy skies at this point. Some of us have started off with some fog that's starting to lift as well. So let's take a look at conditions out there. We've got those mostly cloudy skies overhead as this Clipper is starting to move in. You could see we're starting to fill in that radar a little bit here in our western viewing area, but the bulk of this stretches up more into Canada. And then on the warm side of it, we've got green on the map indicating some rain. So we have the potential for getting some rain showers here as we work our way through the day. Going to zoom in, waiting to hear reports of this making its way to the ground just yet, but we're detecting snow in the mid-levels of the atmosphere with our radar here. So Carrington over New Rockford, the Devil's Lake area, back up to Rock Lake. Some of these deeper blues may be starting to produce some snow right now. So that's all rolling eastward as we head into the afternoon and evening hours for today. And we're going to see these conditions off and on because it's scattered here as we work our way into the afternoon hours. Here's a look at the visibility. Most of us doing just fine. Langdon, though, still down to about a half mile at this point in time. So one area still dealing with more dense fog and perhaps even some snow starting to work its way into that region. Here's a look at our winds. This is also going to be a big factor. Not everybody's going to see the snow, not everybody's going to see the rain, but we all have to deal with the wind over the next 24 hours. It's going to be picking up. Right now we've got wind out of the south end into the teens, and this will increase as we progress through the day. A look at our temperatures right now. Up north, we're into the upper 20s and low 30s there. Much warmer air to the south where we're well above freezing. We're at 37 degrees in Gwinner, 39 in Sisseton. Fargo's at 33 degrees. A look at your hour-by-hour planner. We're going to see, again, our clouds increase. That's already happened. Chances for snow here and there in the valley, but especially up in northeastern North Dakota and right along the border here as we work our way through the afternoon. Here's that wind increasing, gusting into some 20s and some 30s as we head into tonight. And then eventually, for some of us, we're going to see that snow this afternoon, but there are going to be a lot of places in the southern valley, especially where we're going to wait a bit before we see any precipitation. And you can see that starts up around that drive time and beyond for this evening. And that coincides right with that wind picking up as well, with the potential for some rain, some isolated pockets where we may get some steady rain as a shower passes overhead. And don't even be surprised if you hear a rumble of thunder as we head into the evening hours tonight. So the system, a pretty dynamic one, not a ton of moisture with it, but it's a little more powerful. We've got that wind associated with it too. So this is that first round moving into the later evening and overnight hours tonight. We'll watch this kind of slowly depart. But as we move into the overnight hours, that wraparound snow that we see on the backside of these type of systems, that will start to move in for tomorrow morning. And you can see the winds really picking up. Some scattered light snow showers and that wind going to be a problem. Gusts getting over 40 miles per hour for tomorrow morning. So tomorrow morning's commute's going to be a bit of a tough one here. The snow sticks around into that 10 a.m. hour, and then eventually we watch it move on through the later morning hours and into the afternoon. We keep that wind around, so it's going to be quite breezy as we head through the day tomorrow. So any of that fresh snow might get blown around. A lot of the snowpack we have now, though, crusted over. It's compacted because of the warmer days we've had recently. So there's not going to be as much snow for that wind to work with. By 5 o'clock, mainly done with this. So looking at lighter snow amounts, but some spots, if we can get accumulations with our warmer temperatures, will be in that 1 to 2 inch range. In our 7-day planner, once this clears tomorrow afternoon, we're looking at quieter weather for Friday and some fantastic conditions heading into Saturday.
All right. Thank you very much, Lisa. And we'll have more of your local news right after this quick break.